The Honest Tortoise and the Hidden Spring. Long ago, in a peaceful Nigerian village, there was a terrible drought. Rivers dried up, crops withered, and everyone searched desperately for water. One day, Tortoise wandered deep into the forest and discovered a hidden spring with fresh, clean water. He thought about keeping it a secret so he could become the richest animal in the land. As he filled his calabash, an old wise bird landed on a tree and said, "A blessing grows only when it is shared with those who trust one another." Tortoise paused, returned to the village, and told everyone about the hidden spring.
Listen everyone, I found a hidden spring. It is right this way.
At first, the villagers doubted him because Tortoise was known for playing tricks. But the kind-hearted elephant chose to trust him and led the villagers into the forest. To everyone's surprise, the spring was real. The villagers drank, watered their farms, and their crops soon became green again. They thanked Tortoise for telling the truth and promised to trust one another and work together in times of need.
Tortoise, for saving our village.
From that day forward, the village became stronger because its people built their lives on honesty and trust. Moral of the story: trust grows through honesty, and communities become stronger when people keep their promises and help one another.